you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad.
Happy birthday, Chelsea.
Happy birthday to you.
Let's see you build something. You have to take your thumb out of your mouth, though. That looks really kind of...
Hello.
Hi there.
Hello. Take your thumb out of your mouth.
Excuse me.
Excuse you.
Papa.
I never think about it, I'd speak at you.
Papa.
You did?
Or Tessie's.
Oh, Chelsea's?
Or yours.
That's mine, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, my. Okay, thank you, Papa. Just get your thumb out of your mouth. Have nice Mimi shoes.
You're a ham.
Uh-oh.
a car.
Really? Oh, there's a car. Mm-hmm.
Black one.
That's true. Chelsea, tell us about Christopher Robin.
Chris 11.
Yeah, tell us about Christopher. What did he do?
Chris toys.
He had toys. Mm-hmm. Who was his friend? Who was Christopher Robin's friend?
Chris 11's friend.
Who was it?
I played toys.
I know he played toys.
I go for doing.
I don't know. What do you think? Was his friend Pooh Bear?
Pooh Bear.
Yeah, was it? What do you think?
Eeyore.
Eeyore.
Pooh Bear.
Pooh Bear and Eeyore. And who else?
Tiger.
And Tigger.
And no Tiger.
I know about Tigger. You know about Tigger? Tell us about Tigger. What did he do?
Play toys.
Oh, God's children play toys.
Window.
That's a window, yes. And who else? Tigger and who else?
Tiger.
What about Roo? What about Roo? Oh, what about Roo? Oh.
Pooh Bear say,
What did Pooh Bear say?
think, ink.
Think, think, think? Is that what he said? He said think, think, think?